Um, would you say going where the competition isn't or where they aren't yet is a better strategy? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's how you got to play the game for sure. That's if you can. There's two ways of playing this game. One is you have to be willing to pay $30 a click, $40 a click in some instances, right? And then hopefully your conversion, your payout is like $200, right? It's for like a plumbing phone call, $300 for a HVAC phone call. If you can get those kind of payouts for some of these niches, fantastic. Then you're willing to pay, larger sums, right? The other strategy is obviously to get as much reach as possible. So going with multiple companies and pooling all of those zip codes together. So maybe one company only touches 10,000 zip codes. Another one only touches maybe 5,000 zip codes. Another one only touches 1,000. Another one touches like, maybe another 5,000. If you pull all those together, all of a sudden you're able to reach 20,000 keywords. So the ones that have dark zones or pockets of untouched traffic, you're sending them the traffic that wouldn't be touched otherwise with like just a singular buyer. So like having as much reach as possible, right? And so basically either getting paid a lot, having as much reach as possible so you don't have to bid, a crazy amount, or yeah, getting the like the really nuanced, like the really untouched keywords that no one else knows, right? So like informational keywords are great. Like for example, why is my AC not working, right? Or really hot in my room. Why is that? Like so, nuanced stuff that maybe no one's thought about. And you can actually see that in the keyword planner, like keywords that no one's actually bidding on, and they're super cheap. They're like maybe they're rated as 50 cents because they're keywords that no one else is actually looking at or even bidding on. And you can throw those in and then throw the max conversion bidding strategy on top. And then Google will actually still hyper target to the ones that are, doing informational based queries, but they could potentially be in the market for your service as well. So, thinking outside the box as opposed to just the most generic keywords that you can think of. Would you ever do max